Today I will show you how I make this delicious red pozole. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. I will be using these chilies here. The chile de arbol is optional. I will also be using 4 laurel leaves, 1 whole head of onion, 2 heads and a half of garlic, and I'll be using these seasonings: chicken knorr, meat seasoning, and oregano. And for the meat, I will be using pork shoulder, and these are neck bones. You also want to add patas de puerco, so it'll give it more flavor. And first, what I'm going to do is clean my chili, so take off all the dirt and also take out all the seeds. I didn't take out the seeds from the chile de arbol or the chile ancho. And then I got my comal, placing the chilies on there. These have to cook on low so that they don't burn. So just turn it over, and once that aroma starts releasing, then you can remove it. Also toast your chile de arbol and your chile ancho. Once that's done, I had some water boiling here. I added all the chilies. And what you want to do is just wait for the water to reach a full boil. And once that does, cover it up. You're going to leave it there until the chilies soften. Once that's done, add it to your blender. And I'm going to add in onion, garlic, oregano, and some water. And we're going to blend this. And then we want to strain it well. And once that's done, just set it aside until we are ready to use. Now for the meat, I'm going to cut it in pieces. You can leave it whole. And I am also going to be removing this fat that's on it. And on the neck bones, I'm removing the fat also. And now I have my pot with water that I have brought to a boil. I'm adding in all my meat. And this part I'm adding whole because there was a big bone on there. And now I'm adding the neck bones, and don't forget the patas. And we're going to cook that for about 20 minutes until you see this stuff up here. And then you want to remove as much of that as you can. And once you have removed that, Then we add the onion, the garlic, and the laurel. At this point, you can add some salt if you like. Cover it, and you're gonna cook this for about 1 hour. After the hour, add in your hominy. And you're gonna continue to cook this for another hour. After that hour, you want to go in and take out the onion, the laurel, and the garlic. And add in your chili. And we want to cook this for another hour. And this is done. And I serve this with onion, cabbage, radish, limon. Serve it with some tostadas. And there you have it. It's delicious and perfect for any weekend. I want to thank everybody for watching. Also, I made this salsa de chile de árbol.